Hello. All right. Finally got going here to do some other projects. Like I said in the last video, I got stuff paid off, but I got the stand for the 3-point winch slash log skidder is what I'm building. So I can use that as stand to hold that off, to unload that off the 3-point, the winch mount. Or I can use that in concert with that to pull logs up, out of the woods and stuff. So I just got the base part done, so you can see the stand goes, it's got a bar to hook on right there as I lift it up, and then I tilt it forward, and then I can throw the pins in there, which go right there. So, yeah, been wanting to do this for a while, so I can be able to take that off the tractor, though. I still gotta put a connection on this wire right here, so I can do that. Everything else is just hydraulics, hoses and stuff. But yeah, she's working out. She's not too bad. I gotta fine tune it. This corner here. Right here has got to be cut down a little bit and rounded. Same with the other side, so it comes off easier. There's a little bite to it and stuff. But either way, I got a plate I got to put in here over so it doesn't, the log can't go any farther forward, but it's going to be set back so the log can sit in there a little bit. And then I got cutting edge for that bottom right there. I gotta put a plate on to hold the cutting edge up to there, and I'll do the wings probably the same way as I look at it. Then I gotta put some outriggers from here out to about here, probably 10 inches. In other words, from here, which is here, up to about here, somewhere in here. So you're looking at 4-8 inches maybe. It's gonna be pretty heavy, not too heavy, but heavy enough to not get knocked over and be able to pull logs and pull into that hard. So I'm looking forward to it. But either way, and then we get this done, get it painted, be able to set that off there if I need to, be a little bit more versatile. And then we'll go to working on the York rake stuff we have back there, and that I gotta build a table for the lathe too, metal lathe. So that's all I got, and hopefully I'll get some more done on it, and I'll put on another video next week. All right, so God bless, enjoy, thank you.